Welcome to Bulldog-bargains, this amazing unboxing of JNTSC Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color games. Hope you enjoy. So it was good because I got this deal of $160 off eBay. That includes postage, so that's $3 per cart, including postage, give or take. Not to the T, but I couldn't bother fully calculating. But this little gem, I want to tell you about this gem I've got. Crash 2 and Traced. I've got the Australian version, and I've played obviously the PlayStation version up the wazoo. Like, subscribe, guys. If you're liking this, there's plenty of bargains of things like JB Hi-Fi physical stores and different stuff I buy. There's the JNTC Pokemon and Donkey Kong Land. When I was a kid, it was mainly Mario and Pokemon. Vastly Pokemon, like this, Pokemon Blue. Released October 10th, 99. My first one was Pokemon Red, JNTSC Pokemon Red to be precise. Hey guys, please like and subscribe down below. At Papa Dash Adventures is a great one, plenty of vlogs, check it out. And then it would have been, I don't know if it was Parkling Markets or the Paddy's Markets in the city. That's where I got like a 17-in-1 Game Boy game for my birthday. I had like gold, silver, the lot. Here's some games I don't even know what they are. Please comment down below. What I love about Japanese ones is I like seeing the ones where you think, I've never even heard of that game, or I wouldn't even tell you the faintest. So here's some cool information about the Game Boy Advance. We got one not long after it was launched. Final Fantasy is a big thing in the world, not just Japan. I haven't played that one yet. It's pretty cool. I like the Game Boy Color. I haven't got this transparent one. Anyone wants to send me one? I'd love that. Oni, that looks a bit modern. There's a few other Game Boy loose. These are the loose cartridges. It's too hard to go through, and most of the games I don't even recognize. So it's hard to crap on about. These two games kind of look like, I think I may have it on PSP, something similar. There's 2 and 3. The Game Boy Advance was amazing. Pokemon was my world. Back in 2000, watching Cheese TV and stuff. Pokemon cards. What else? We had the Pokemon. There was like a Pokedex that had a ball in it, and you'd shoot someone. It was on a string. Wasn't actually shooting. Anyone's got any Pokemon or Game Boy memories, comment down below. As you can see, I got plenty. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Have a great Christmas. Hope you get all the presents you want and get to see your family. And have a good one. Take care. Thank you very much.